US suspends debt ceiling. Bitcoin and Ethereum shows price hike. So will the price of Bitcoin continue this impulsiveness? Will the price of Bitcoin get attracted towards the next area of confluence? Because now we finally have a solution. US President Joe Biden and the Republican member Kevin McCarthy decided to suspend the US debt ceiling. The announcement has been a solace to crypto industry, which was immersed in uncertain financial conditions. Following the announcement, Bitcoin and Ethereum showed significant price hike. In a turn of events, US President Joe Biden and the top congressional Republican Kevin McCarthy have discussed and decided on a tentative deal to resolve the government's debt ceiling by raising $31.4 trillion. Though announcement without any celebrations, the compromising agreement is a solace for the crypto industry that has been troubled by the US debt ceiling. The cryptocurrency market has been immersed in uncertain conditions in the negotiations on the US debt ceiling. Recently, the financial expert Robert Kiyosaki predicted an impending crisis that would fall on the entire US, since the US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen warned that the country would run out of cash by June 1st if the debt ceiling isn't resolved. Even the lending cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin and Ethereum started showing further plummet. Bitcoin had fallen by more than 7% and Ethereum by more than 3%. On May 27, the president and the Republican Party member joined hands to suspend the federal government debt ceiling. As per the report, the exact detail of the agreement were not revealed. It was informed that the government spending till 2025 would be limited. Yes, the expenses related to the national security would be excluded from the limit. So from what we have heard, debt ceiling has raised $4 trillion and now the spending will be cut around $50 billion. So we know the market took that positively, and the price of Bitcoin after that along with Ethereum started showing significant move. But if you look at the US national debt, you can see currently it stands at $31.5 trillion. So what to do in time like this? Hold some gold, hold some Bitcoin. And also, before I jump into Bitcoin price action, just a friendly reminder guys, crypto Anup altcoin, this is our new channel, and yesterday I have posted top 6 AI altcoin which is set to explode in 2023. Yes, if you want to find out which AI coin I am personally picking, the link is in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. Now, looking at this market cap Bitcoin dominance, we can see guys, the Bitcoin dominance looks like breaking out from this symmetrical triangle. Yes, yesterday when we saw a significant move in price action of Bitcoin, price action of Ethereum, Bitcoin was more superior, and we can see why, because we broke out from this dominance. This upper trend line, which was previously acting as a strong line of resistance, has finally been broken, and now the dominance looks like it is clearly heading here to the upside. So that means the price of Bitcoin in the upcoming days might be showing more significant move compared to altcoins. So what is the price of Bitcoin showing now? Because according to this falling wedge, according to this bullish continuation pattern, the price of Bitcoin after testing the support around 26,000 range has started to show this bullishness and also broken out from this key line of resistance. Yes guys, the upper trend line resistance from this falling wedge has been broken, and now the price of Bitcoin in a daily time frame is showing some bullishness. But if you look here to the downside, this is even more interesting because the RSI is appearing around 50 level. Yes guys, RSI appearing above 50 level, MACD already forming a bullish MACD cross, and T2CCI about to enter the positive territory. If that is going to happen, then we know with some range bound, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to slowly get attracted here to the upside before deciding the trend duration like this. Because according to the falling wedge, which is a bullish continuation pattern, even the indicators right now are slowly turning bullish. So definitely watch out for this RSI and T3CCI for proper confirmation before looking for any long opportunity, because we know right now the price range where we are, 27,000 to 27,500 range, is extremely important for us, because once we break out from that trend, then we will be also breaking out from this upper trend line from this broadening bottom. Yes guys, the upper trend line broadening bottom will be broken, and according to this example, the price objective is going to be around 28,800 to 29,000 range. So once this 27,400 27,500 range line gets broken, this upper trend line is where we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to be gravitated, and from the area where we are, it's going to be around 5 to 6% move, and that is definitely a very bullish move, to be honest, because in a weekly, the price of Bitcoin did held the support from this 200 weekly moving average, which was a very important line of support, because in the past price action we found out whenever the price of Bitcoin found support above this 200 weekly moving average, after that we saw a very nice relief rally type of scenario playing out. So that's why we said, hey, in a weekly, if the price of Bitcoin manages to remain above the 200 weekly moving average, then we are also expecting some sort of a relief rally type of scenario to play out here in price action. And now, after US suspending the debt ceiling, Bitcoin is definitely looking bullish, and I think the traditional market, once it opened tomorrow, is also going to show some bullishness or relief rally, and that might push the price of Bitcoin further here to the upside. Now, before I switch the chart, I just want to quickly aware you guys about the bonuses provided by Bybit to our crypto Anup community members, or even for the new users. Yes guys, for new users, deposit $100 and get $40. How to claim? Many were saying, hey Anup, you only show the bonuses but you never show how to claim it. Now you can see, sign up for a Bybit account with crypto Anup link, which is in the description down below. Claim $10 bonuses from deposit blast off, claim welcome gift $10 from rewards hub, and claim $20 bonus from KYC from rewards hub. But for existing users who have not completed KYC yet, for you guys, hold minimum $50, complete KYC and get $20. How to claim? Hold minimum $50 in funding account, go to rewards hub and complete the KYC tasks and claim $20 airdrop. So this here is definitely a good opportunity to claim some bonuses, so try grabbing it. No guys, once we break the resistance from this horizontal trend line, then we will be breaking the neckline from this head and shoulder. Yes guys, this neckline from the head and shoulder, which is also lining around 27,400 27,500, will be broken, and that will invalidate this bearish scenario for Bitcoin for the upcoming days. But we know it's not just only the lower line area from this, the upper line area from this broadening bottom, the neckline from this head and shoulder, even the lower trend line from this broadening top or broadening wedge is lining exactly around 27,400 27,500. So that's why guys, this lower trend line around 27,400 27,500 must be flipped into support if we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to continue this uptrend, because we know breaking out of that means we are also going to get attracted towards the upper trend line from this descending channel, which we talked in my video yesterday. So before I continue further, please guys, just a friendly reminder, if you haven't destroyed that like button, then do it right now. And for those individuals watching this for the first time, come on, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now, if we see the price of Bitcoin breaking out of this key line of resistance, the broadening bottom, the neckline from this head and shoulder, the lower trend line from this broadening top, then we know guys, this upper line is where we could be getting attracted before the price of Bitcoin decides the trend duration. And this upper trend line is sitting somewhere between 28,800 to 29,000 range. Yes, this upper trend line will be looked as our upcoming target once we flip this key line of resistance into proper support, because we know breaking out of that means the price could be also slowly following this bullish scenario which played out here in 2018 2019. Yes guys, so far it is looking perfect. I mean, the price of Bitcoin is still holding the support from this 21 weekly exponential moving average. in the past price action, we found out from 2018 2019, the top and the bottom, this trend lasted 364 days. Once we found proper support, once the price started showing this impulsiveness, we broke the resistance from this 21 weekly exponential moving average, and when we broke out of it, we also got attracted towards 0.618 Fibonacci line, right, before showing corrective movement. So we are saying if the price of Bitcoin in a weekly remains above 200 weekly moving average, this one, right, 200 weekly moving average, then you can see, guys, we will be also remaining and holding the support from this 21 weekly exponential moving average. This is the exact line which previously acted as a strong line of support in the past price action. You can see if we simply look at this red line, this 21 exponential moving average, the weekly 21 exponential moving average always acted as a strong line of support during an uptrend, and this is exactly where we are holding right now. So if this exact scenario is going to play out one more time for Bitcoin, according to this most bullish scenario or the best case scenario for Bitcoin, the 0.618 Fibonacci line is where we could be getting attracted before deciding the trend duration. So that's why, guys, that's why the price of Bitcoin now is slowly forming a very strong support of 25,000-26,000 range, and also could be getting attracted towards the 29,000 first before deciding the trend duration, because you know coming across 29,000 will invalidate the bearish scenario which is still playing out right now for Bitcoin, and that will also indicate the upcoming days for Bitcoin might be slowly turning bullish. So this is what I see right now looking at the price action of Bitcoin. So if you enjoyed this kind of update, if you want to find out my top 6 AI coin to pick for the next bull run, for the next AI hype, then the link is in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. So guys, by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.